Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Yamaha YZFR6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 11,513 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State Inspection. To pass New Hampshire State Inspection, this bike will need a running light and front and rear turn signals with sufficient visibility. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a blemish on the bar end, a crack in the tail plastics, scratches and paint chips in the upper fairing plastics, a blemish on the left side of the fairing, and scratches on the left side of the fairing. This bike has one key. It has been upgraded with an aftermarket muffler, frame sliders, a flashing taillight with integrated rear turn signals, flush mount front turn signals, and a rear fender eliminator kit. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.